Hello everyone, welcome back to Java Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn about the nesting of while loop. So let's take an example. I will take an example of a maths table to print a math table from 11 to 20. Yes, the same math table which you find it very difficult to learn while you were in your school days. So before starting a program, I would like to tell you one more important thing, that is, you can make a program easy or difficult. It totally depends upon you. Computer doesn't know anything. It do things what we program it to do. It is you and your mind that can make a toughest program go easy. The simple solution to that is you have to be logical about that. If you can create a logic behind your program, then it will be easy to create a program. So try to be logical while thinking a solution. So let's create our program first. As I have given you lecture on being logical, so I must do it logically too. So let's have a look at the table first. So this is a table for integer value 5. What logical thing you can find in this is, we are multiplying 5 into 1 equal to 5, then we are multiplying 5 into 2 equal to 10, and so on till 10. So what will happen if I will replace 5 with 6? I will get a table of 6. What will happen if I will replace 6 with 7 or 8 or 9 or any number? I will get the table of that number. So what I am trying to tell you over here is, so this number is constant for each iteration of 1 to 10. That means I have to traverse a loop for 1 to 10 each time for any of the table. So for any math table, what I will need is a number that will be constant for 1 to 10 and a loop that will run for 1 to 10 times. And then the simple multiplication between the two to have the desired output. So let's create our first program with a simple while loop. So let us take an input from the user for any table. Let's ask the user for the input. Take an input from user. So let's take another variable for the loop to run it for 10 times. Int a is equal to 1. Our loop will start from 1 until 10. So let's give a condition to run it for 10 times. A is less than equal to 10. Let's print the output now. Table multiplied by a. And let's increment the value of a by 1 each time so that it will run for 10 times. So that will be all for now. Let's execute the command. Let's print the table for 2. That will be easy. You all will know the output. Sit down in the console window, you can see I have got the table of 2. So now let's give it a better look. So what I have done here is I have formatted the output so that it will give you a better look of the multiplication. Enter another table, let it be 3. I think at least you know the table of 3. So see, I have got an output and it looks good now. So this is how you can print the table. So now let's convert the same program into a nested while loop. What we have achieved with this while loop is that we have successfully printed our table. So now what I have to do is I have to print different tables. So I just have changed the value of 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 to 7. That's all I have to do. So what I need to do is I have to run another while loop to change this number. So let's create another while loop. We have the table over here. Table less than equal to, let it be 20. See, I have added this while loop within this while loop. Now what I have to do is I have to increment the value of table by 1 so that it will print the series of table. So let's increment the value of table by 1 each time. See, we have created our program, but still it will not print the whole series of table. It will just print the first one. Let's execute the command first and then I will tell you why. Let it be 4. See, it has just printed the first one. I will tell you why. Let's debug the program and see. Let's give it, you can either press F6 or click on this button on your toolbar. See, I have entered 4. So 4 is less than equal to 20. So it will enter the loop. Now as you can see, it has printed the value. You can check the same over here in the variable section. The value of a is now 8 and we are printing the table for 4. Keep on pressing F6. It will keep on iterating till the value of a is now 11. Now it will exit the loop and will increment the value of table by 1. Now you can see in the table section we have got the value of table as 5. So now according to us it should print the table of 5, but as you can see the value of a is 11, so it will not enter the while loop, and that is the reason why we haven't got our output as the series of table, because the value of a is now 11 and it will not enter the loop in any condition. So now what you have to do is you have to reassign the value of a to 1 so that it will again enter the loop with a equal to 1 till a is equal to 10. Now let's again execute the command. It is asking for the number. Let's give 6. Down in the console window you can see we have got the output as, it was looking a bit messy, so I just added a new line character. Now let's execute the command again. Enter a value for the table, let it be 11. Down in the console window you can see we have got the output. You can see we have got the output for 11, 12, 13 till 20. So see, what I have done till now is I have created an instance of an object class. I have taken input from the user. I have taken a variable a and assigned the value 1 to it. Then I have given a condition that while table is less than equal to 20, that is our condition for the series of table for user input till 20. That means it will run the table for whatever the user has given the input till the table of 20. And then again in the inner loop we have given a condition for a is less than or equal to 10. That means for each iteration of outer while loop it will run the inner loop for 10 times. So when it will run for 10 times it will print the statement for 10 times, and that's how we are getting our output for 10 times. Then I have incremented the value of a by 1 each time so that it will not end up in a condition of infinite loop. Then we have closed the inner while. Then in the outer while condition I have given a new line character to be printed each and every time, and after that I have incremented the value of table by 1 each time so that you will get a incremented value and you can have the new table. It will go on till the value is less than or equal to 20, and then in the last line I have reassigned the value of a to 1. You have seen the reason why I have reassigned the value of a to 1 while I was using the debugger view. So that will be all for the nesting of while loop. In our next tutorial we will learn about the for loop. Thank you for watching.